separates two nation states or two civilizations. As you all know that since the Treaty of Westphalia in 1648, thereafter the nation state concept came into existence, and thereafter a nation has been defined with population, with territory, and with government. Since then, these terms has come into the pictures, and we are using still now. Coming to second point, that is the border. Borders are simply officially recognized or documented or demarcated lines which simply separates two nation states or two states, and it is simply documented. That is the crucial feature of the border line. And frontiers, they are not. It is not like a border line, or it is not a simply a demarcated line. It is a region simply which separates two areas. I mean, before the borders came into existence, then frontiers used to be there through which two nation states or two regions or two empires used to trade, or they used to exchange their product and all. Let's come to the ceasefire line. Ceasefire line is simply a kind of line which simply stops fighting, which stops fire simply. I mean, when two states or two nation states come into conflict, and when the conflict goes ahead and when the fighting happens, so at that time when they decide to come into, they halt their fighting, so they go for the ceasefire line. So ceasefire line is a kind of temporary period, we can say, where both the parties stop opening fire and the situation remains down. Next, as the time goes, that ceasefire line turns either into the LOC or LAC. Talking about LOC, which is line of actual control, line of control. It is a kind of controlled line by the two parties. I mean, they agree on that line that we will control the area till to this location, and we will not fire. And simply consensus is there between the parties that this line we will recognize as a LOC, and we will not cross it over. And so it is a permanent line, we can say. Let's talk about the LAC. LAC stands for line of actual control. It is also a kind of line, but it is not clearly demarcated and delineated or not documented line. It is simply based on the perception, the area from where an area to which a particular nation is simply patrolling, or the area where its troops are actually standing. Till that area it considers as its own line. So that is a line of actual control. In our country, we have a line of actual control along the northern border with China. So it is not clearly demarcated. The area to which we occupy our region, we consider this as our line of actual control, and the area